Remote work, remote support, and remote access are no longer buzzwords. They're part of everyday life in 2026. Whether you're helping someone troubleshoot their computer, accessing files from another machine, or managing systems across the globe, you need a reliable way to connect remotely. That's where apps like Jump Desktop come in. But with so many remote desktop solutions available, the real question is, do you actually need Jump Desktop in 2026, or is it just another app you can skip? Let's break it down. Jump Desktop is a remote desktop app that works across multiple platforms. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android, Jump Desktop aims to give you seamless access to your other computers from anywhere. The core concept is simple. Install the app on both devices, authenticate securely, and connect. No matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, you can control your remote machine as if you were sitting in front of it. One of the biggest strengths of Jump Desktop is its speed and responsiveness. In testing, the app performs very well even on slower connections, with smooth cursor movement, quick screen updates, and minimal lag. That's critical if you're doing anything beyond basic file access, like running software, editing documents, or even streaming media remotely. Some remote access tools feel sluggish or choppy, but Jump Desktop puts a lot of emphasis on performance. Security is another important factor. The app uses strong encryption to protect your remote sessions, and you can set up additional security features like two-factor authentication to ensure only authorized devices can connect. In a world where cyber threats are everywhere, these protections matter. Jump Desktop also supports multiple connection protocols. On the back end, it works with RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, and its own proprietary engines, which helps compatibility with a wide range of systems. That's particularly useful if you need remote access across different operating systems or different versions of Windows and macOS. However, despite its strengths, Jump Desktop isn't perfect. One of the most common criticisms is that the setup process can feel a bit technical, especially for non-tech users. You often have to configure settings like screen resolution, access permissions, and network preferences, and if you're not familiar with remote desktop concepts, that can be intimidating. For tech-savvy users, this isn't a problem, but casual users may find the learning curve steeper than expected. Another point to consider in 2026 is pricing. Jump Desktop is a paid product, and while many users consider the cost justified for the performance and features, some competitors offer remote access for free or as part of broader suites. If you only need basic remote viewing or occasional access, those alternatives may feel more cost-effective. Speaking of alternatives, apps like TeamViewer, AnyDesk, and even built-in solutions like Windows Remote Desktop or macOS Screen Sharing offer similar functionality, and depending on your environment, they may work just as well. Jump Desktop aims to stand out with performance and cross-platform consistency. But for users deeply embedded in a single ecosystem, native tools might be sufficient. One area where Jump Desktop really shines is multi-monitor support and layout control. If you're someone who works with several screens, having the ability to switch displays easily and control layout settings makes the remote experience far more efficient. For professionals, this alone can make Jump Desktop worth it. So, do you need Jump Desktop in 2026? The honest answer is, it depends on how you work. If you regularly access your computers remotely, need high performance, and want a consistent experience across devices and platforms, Jump Desktop is a strong choice. Its speed, security, and advanced features make it ideal for professionals, IT administrators, and power users. If you only need occasional remote access, or you're already comfortable with free or built-in tools, then Jump Desktop might feel like extra that you don't use enough to justify the cost. Remote access tools have become essential, but the right one for you is the one that fits your workflow. Jump Desktop earns its place for people who need reliability and performance on the go. If this review helped you decide whether Jump Desktop is worth it in 2026, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and comparisons. And let me know in the comments, how often do you use remote desktop tools? And which features matter most to you? Stay connected, work smarter, and I'll see you in the next one.